Hi parent, it's me, Teacher Intan again. Okay, so we will learn how to teach our child to measure, to vocalize the measurement based on item. Okay, so our goals today for our child to ever recognize the measurement of the item, also them to able to vocalize the measurement, long, short, big and small. Firstly, to teach them, you shall prepare the item consists of small and big, long and short. Okay, and introduce them to the size of the item. Okay, like this. This is big ball. This is big ball. Okay, follow me. Big ball. Big ball. This small ball. Small ball. Small ball. Small ball. And we have long and short. Long pencil. Long pencil. Short. Short pencil. Look. Short pencil. Long pencil. Alright, and then you can let them to recognize which is short and long. Okay, which is long pencil. This one, long, long, long. And this one, short, short. And you can give them reward after the task. Okay, parent. Bye. Let's practice more. Big, big, small, small, big, big, small, small. Okay, show me which one is small. Small. Yeah, good job. And we move to short, short, long, long, short. This is short. This is long. Long, long, short, short. Can you show me which one is long? Which one is long? This one. Good job.